The hut, a striking architectural intervention in a serene Czech landscape, is a masterful blend of form and function. This modest dwelling, nestled amidst a picturesque garden, offers a tranquil retreat from the bustling city. The project was born out of a desire to renovate an existing structure while adhering to strict zoning regulations. The architects, faced with the challenge of maximizing space without compromising the building's aesthetic appeal, devised a unique solution: a truncated hip roof. This innovative design allowed for the creation of a spacious interior while keeping the overall height within the permitted limits. The exterior of the hut is clad in dark, trapezoidal metal sheeting, which blends seamlessly with the surrounding landscape. This minimalist aesthetic is complemented by the use of natural materials, such as wood and stone, which create a warm and inviting interior. The large windows and skylights provide ample natural light, further enhancing the sense of openness and connection to the outdoors. The interior space is organized around a simple, functional layout. The ground floor features an open-plan living area, kitchen, and dining room. While the upper level houses the bedroom. The use of wood throughout the interior creates a warm and inviting atmosphere. The skylights not only provide natural light but also create a unique and meditative space. The hut is a testament to the power of thoughtful design to transform a modest structure into a truly inspiring space. By carefully considering the site's context, the client's needs, and the local building regulations, the architects have created a home that is both beautiful and functional.